Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. At the first, I will talk about the features that we can find in the settings, and after that I will talk about the modes that we can find right here and also about the features that we can use in that modes. So to enter the settings and to start the video, we have to go for the three lines on the right upper corner and go for the settings. And as you can see at the first, we can activate or deactivate the watermark. So when you click right here, you will get the device watermark turned on. You can also add the timestamp on the photos. And when you tap below, you can custom watermark. So for example, we can add here that the photo was taken by hard reset. Click save and take a look right now. When you go back to the photo mode and then take photo, on the left bottom corner we'll find the Redmi Note 9T hard reset mark, and on the right bottom corner we'll get date and the time. Right now you can also find the volume button function. Currently is set up on the shutter countdown, but you can change it, for example, for the zoom, and take a look right now how great it works. So when you are in the photo mode, let me just put it stand in front of me, maybe in this place, and I will show you how great you can zoom. Take a look. Let's put it like that. And right now when you press volume up or volume down button, you can smoothly zoom. As you can see, we can zoom just like that by pressing volume up button to the 10 times, and we can zoom out by using volume down button. It works very smooth and it's very useful. You don't have to pinch your screen like that. You can make it by using one finger and pressing volume buttons. So definitely it's a useful feature. Okay, when you are in the settings, we can also find an option called focus and the shot. When you enable this option and go back to the camera, when you press on the screen, it will catch focus, and after that it will take photo. Take a look. And right now when you tap second time, the photo will be taken. So honestly, you don't have to use shutter button like that. You can make it, for example, like that. You catch focus, and after that when you click another time, the photo will be taken. Let's turn it off. Honestly, I don't use that method, but maybe in your case it will be useful. Here we got the press, hold and the shutter button. We can record video or take the burst shot or also focus, but let's use the burst shot. Right now when you click and hold your shutter button, you can take a lot of photos. And when you go for the gallery, you can find photos right here. To open all of them, you have to tap on this icon. And here we can store all of the photos. Here we got this series of 20 photos. If you want to select few of them, just tap like that, select what you want, and click on the marker to confirm and save 5 photos, or you can also keep all photos. You can decide what you want to select. When you keep 5 photos, the 15 will be removed. Let's see what we got more in the settings. Okay, we can find here the customize option. So here we can change layout. As you can see, we can change modes. Basically, we can add modes, additional modes to the normal camera preview, but let's stay like that. Here we got also the more panel or the more tab. You can decide what you want to get. And the colors. Here we can change color of the highlight caption. So for example, let's pick this one. And here we can change the sound of our shutter. So there's the default, there's the retro, film, and modern. So we can change it very easy. Here we can also turn off or turn on the shutter sound. I'm going to turn it off. And honestly, that's everything from the features that you can find in this smartphone. Right now, when you are in the standard photo mode, when you tap on the screen, you will get this kind of focus. Let's make it another time. And when you click right here, you can change brightness level. So you don't have to honestly use the Pro mode when you try to change level of your brightness on the photo, you can make it manually by using this switcher right here. When you are in the photo mode and you tap right here, you can also add the timer. So we got 3, 5 and 10 seconds. When you choose 3 seconds, for example, and then take photo, press the shutter button. After 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. And right now it was taken. Here, let's turn it off. And here we can also add the grid lines that help us to take better composition on the photos. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen. There it is. And we can also add here, change the camera aspect ratio, but it also changed the quality of the photos. So honestly, let's go always for the 3:4. It's the best option right here. And when you are in the photo mode, you can also find this icon, and it's Google Lens. So when you click on it, you will get the camera of the Google. It's a smart camera, so we can, for example, find objects around you. So if you are looking, for example, let's make the search for that mouse that I have on the right side. So when you put the object in front of your camera and you will get that blue dot, you can tap on the shutter and your phone will make the web search and you will find the exact model of that mouse. As you can see, that's Logitech P100 black version of that mouse, and there is also the price of that mouse, so you can easily and quickly get that item. And here we can also make the homework, you can find the shopping, so it's basically the same like the search. You can find places, then go for the translate or scan the text. In the video mode, we can make the same with the brightness. As you can see, there is the same slider that we can use. And also when you tap on this icon, we can change quickly the color and temperature on our photos. It's something like the filters that you can use with external application, but right now we can make it by using your stock camera application. As you can see, there is a lot of filters. We can, for example, take photo with black and white, with travel, and also with movie. Here we got also the beauty mode. As you can see, there's the difference on the photos. As you can see, that's how the filters looks. Here we got the Pro mode. In the Pro mode, we can change the white balance. There we got focus, shutter speed, ISO, and EV. And if you don't know how to use that mode, you can tap right here, and you will get here the example of a very data that you can change here. Also, we can find this video on our YouTube channel, how to use the Pro mode, so we can check it. When you go for the more modes, we can find here 48 megapixel mode. So take a look when I'm going to take a photo, for example, of our logo. I'm going to catch focus like that and then take photo. And right now I'm going to take the same photo but without that mode. Oh, let me just turn off the filters. Okay, let's catch focus on it and take photo. Okay, so I take 2 photos and let's see the difference of the modes. So there's the normal mode and the photo looks like that. As you can see, here we got a lot of details. And here we got another photo that was taken with the 48 megapixel mode. And as you can see right here, we can zoom much closer and we get more details on the photos. For example, we can spot this place. Take a look. So if you want to get more details on your photos, definitely go with 48 megapixel mode. In the more modes, we can also find the vlog mode. You have to keep your phone horizontal, but at first you have to choose the type of the vlog. So for example, we can use maybe this one. Click right here and then put your phone in the landscape mode. And right now we have to keep tapping for the few times your shutter button. You have to follow these instructions here. and you will get here the few ready moves, the few ready effects on the video, so you don't have to edit that video after that in some kind of the movie maker application. So take a look. I'm going to make it like that. I'm just moving on the left and the right, and you can see how it looks after a few moments. And take a look. Finally, you have to tap right here, and there it is. So as you can see, to save, click here. Now we have to be patient and wait a little bit. And there's our vlog video. So definitely you want to make the quick, cool looking video for your Instagram or TikTok. You can use that great mode on your Xiaomi smartphone. In the more modes we can also find the time lapse. Here we can change the time lapse speed. And here we got also description at the top that this one is for the plants, there's dusk, sunrise and sunsets, 60 is for the clouds, and 10 or 4 it's for the street. Here we got also the duration. We can also go for the unlimited. And here we got also the information, what is going on. So there's the great explain. That's really awesome. For me, the Xiaomi application for your camera is one of the best that you can find in any smartphone. And when you go back, for me that's all, because here we got normal modes like short video, panorama, night mode, but everybody know that mode, so I'm not going to talk about them. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.